Join Arts and Crafty Central for the 12 days of Craftsmas. Up until Christmas, we'll be releasing 12 crafts, either holiday themed or perfect for holiday gifts. So don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the holiday fun. To begin, tear out certain pages of the book that you want to be on the letter. Tear them instead of cutting so that they have worn edges. You can get the book at a used bookstore so that you don't destroy a nice copy. Next, arrange the pieces on the letter. Then use liquid glue to attach the pieces. Liquid glue works better because you'll still be able to move the pieces some before they dry, so you could rearrange them to make it fit if needed. I glued on a good quote from the book. I even added pieces from the book's Newbery Award. Then I used hot glue to fold over and glue any excess onto the back. And I Mod Podged the whole thing, including the sides. After that dried, I added various decorations like beads, buttons, fake moss, and fake leaves. I glued on all the decorations. I also glued on Scrabble letters spelling wild things. Lastly, I added a piece of brown yarn to the back so that I could hang it. This craft can be a perfect personalized gift. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified when I post a new video.